Hi everyone and welcome to my place. It's nearly Christmas time, and if you're looking for a lovely project that you can do with the children, I just know that children will love this. You need a glass and you need a stocking. Look at this gorgeous little stocking. I picked this up and it was just like so seriously cheap, but perfect for what I want to do today. Now you might just have to have a little muck around at the bottom to make sure that the little legs and everything, or the little feet sit out. So that's my front. The next thing to go in is a little bit of ivy, because I think that Christmas with the holly and the ivy is just the best thing. And here in New Zealand, because it's the middle of our summer, we get tropical things. We don't get snow, we get warmth in the beach. So I have always wanted to be somewhere where it was a white Christmas, but anyway, it's not going to happen at this stage, so we won't worry about it. Okay, so a little bit of ivy. You could put another piece into there if you wanted. I've got a couple of nice pieces of this beautiful red maple, which I'm just going to put into there, and I'll push that down into there like so. So that's sort of like more arms of this beautiful big hat that Santa's going to have. I've got one of the lovely giant red magnolias, because that's going to be its hat, and I quite like that form. Now I've just bent it up. I could cut it, but I don't want to do that because I might want to use this flower for something else. So that can go into there. I've got a couple of pieces of the short, this is quite good, the shorter lengths of the holly, so some holly into there, and I'll bring another piece over to there. I've also got some of the snowberries, and you know how I love those, and I'm using the white because I wanted it to be red, white, you know, red and white and green for Christmas. So I'm going to put a little bit of the snowberries out there and just bring a little bit around to the back, just for a nice bit of balance, visual balance and actual balance. So you just sort of like transitions through there. The next thing I've got is, because I wanted a little bit of fluffiness into here, I've just got a couple of little bits of this wee fluffy stuff. And you know how I always am going on about, if you're going to use white, you need to have some kind of graduation and transition from that big white, from the boldness of the white. So we've got Santa's little beard down here, and that's drifting up to these creamy white over here, and then little bits of this lovely little fluffy stuff can just go in and over there in any way. I would have put feathers, but I couldn't find any. But how's that for quick and easy Merry Christmas, something to do with the kids? I look forward to seeing you all another day. Bye for now.